In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the countdown to bar close timer on your Exness charts. This is a simple but powerful setting that shows you exactly how much time is left before the current candle closes. It's especially helpful if you trade around candle closes or want to time entries and exits more precisely. By the end, you'll have a clear, visible countdown right on your chart so you always know when the next bar is about to print. First, log into your Exness account and open the chart for the instrument you're trading. This can be forex, crypto, or any other instrument available on your platform. Make sure you're actually in the chart view for that instrument, not just the symbol list or market overview. The countdown will reflect the time frame you've selected, so on a 5-minute chart, you'll see it count down from 5 minutes, while on a 1-hour chart, it counts down from 1 hour. Next, look for the chart settings icon. This is the small gear symbol usually located at the top right of the chart area. It might be near other chart tools like indicators or layout options. Click that gear to open your chart settings. If you don't see it right away, hover near the top of the chart or maximize the chart area so the toolbar is visible. In the settings window that opens, you'll see several tabs. Navigate to the Scales tab. This section controls what appears along your price and time axis, including helpful overlays and display options that make your chart more informative without clutter. Now scroll within the Scales tab until you find the option labeled Countdown to Bar Close. It's a checkbox. Tick that box to enable the timer. Once enabled, your chart will display a small digital countdown that shows how much time is left before the current candle closes and a new one begins. On most layouts, it appears near the time axis at the bottom or close to the price scale, and it updates in real time. This works across different instruments and time frames, so you can quickly gauge momentum changes as bars finish forming. Finally, apply your changes by clicking OK or simply closing the settings window, depending on your platform version. Your selection will take effect immediately. Look to your chart and confirm that the countdown is visible and actively ticking. If you don't see it, revisit the Scales tab and ensure the checkbox is enabled. That's it. Open your chart, hit the gear, and go to Scales, enable Countdown to Bar Close, and apply. Enjoy more precise timing and smoother trade management with a clear, reliable timer right on your Exness chart.